Hey people, welcome to another video. Today we're gonna create a simple parallax effect using HTML and CSS. I already have all set up, like you can see, and the images are here. Some cool, others better. Okay, so first we gonna place our div class image1. We will have 3 images, so 3 div classes. 2, 3. Next, we will have our space like div. After all images, we will have our space. So at the moment we can't see anything because all of them are empty. So we're gonna style them in the style component. First, we're gonna set our file margin 0 and padding 0 too. Next, we're gonna edit our images. Like this. The width will be 100% and the height will be 800% pixels. Next, we're gonna set up our background. Will be a URL, the image1, and this with no repeat. So we can see all the image here. Next, we're gonna change the background size. Background size to cover, so the image is full in the screen, and the background attachment to fix it, so when you scroll the image is still there. I'm gonna copy this, and this will be image 2 and this will be image 3. So at the moment we have 3 images identical. So image 2 will be this, looks much better, yeah, and image 3 will be the last one. So at the moment it looks good, but will be better. Next, like we do in the HTML file, we set up a space, so between the images will be a white space, so you can put there your text, some information, what you want. So in the CSS file, it's gonna be space, and the width will be 100%, like in the others, and the height will be 250 pixels. The background will be white, and it's done. This is what we want. Simple parallax effect. The full screen looks like this. And this is the video. Hope you enjoy it, and give me like and subscribe and comment giving your opinion and feedback about this video.